Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my messy kitchen. I've been busy. I'm getting ready to make all my grilled veggies for taco night. So check out my YouTube video for my taco meat, and today I'm also going to do another YouTube video on a taco wrap. Yum! So stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to teach you another ridiculously easy recipe that I love for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, okay, even after a workout, is a egg white omelette. And I love them because they're versatile and you can add different things. But my secret ingredient is the everything bagel seasoning. I know. And because it's a bit salty, you don't need to add any extra salt. So you have to watch your sodium intake on this journey. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients and let's do this, okay? So I'm going to turn my camera around. And I have a medium skillet on a medium temperature. And I'm going to add, actually I just added some olive oil spray. And now I'm going to add a cup of egg whites, okay? And I just like, you hear that nice sizzle, all right? I like that my skillet is nice and warm, okay? And we're just gonna leave it for a few seconds because I don't like it on a high temperature because you don't want to burn it, okay? You just want to go around the sides a little bit, okay? And I like to get all the liquid out. Okay, so that's what I like to do. And make sure you're using a non-skillet pan, all right? And you just sort of move your skillet around by hand. All right, so we're gonna let that cook up a bit. And I'm just gonna show you that I'm gonna add some onion powder. I just like to sprinkle in maybe about a quarter of a teaspoon, just some of my onion powder. And I'm gonna add a little bit, you can use fresh garlic, but I just like to use a little bit of some garlic powder, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And just a little tiny bit of some pepper. I'm not adding any salt because, like I said, I love the everything but the bagel seasoning. And you can add what you want. I'm adding about a quarter of a teaspoon or so. And I like to sprinkle that on even afterwards as well. So you can use whatever kind of cheese. You could add whatever vegetable, but I'm going to be adding a cup of spinach to this. All right, and I like a big omelet because it is high protein, low carb, low fat, low calories, and absolutely delicious, okay? So I like to get it to where you have no more liquid, all right? And then I'm gonna add my spinach. Okay, so a cup full of nice spinach. And if you want to add other veggies, you can. And I have some grilled peppers and onions. So I'm just going to grab a few of my onions and I'm going to add that. I'm not in the mood for peppers right now, so I'm not adding peppers. But onions give it great flavor. And I have the Saputo light mozzarella. And I only have about 2 tablespoons, so it's about 1 smart point for a quarter of a cup. A quarter of a cup is 2 smart points if you're on WW, but you can use whatever cheese that you have. I also love the Zerto cheese. It's a Asiago. It comes in Romano or Parmesan, and I'm using about a tablespoon, and that will be 0 smart points. So I like to find things that are low, low, low in points. All right, so now I'm just gonna press this down. And I'm going to just gently take the sides and roll this baby over like that. Okay. So it's a big omelet, guilt-free, nice and big, because we do eat with our eyes, of course. And we want to be satisfied with a good lunch, right? You know I'm right. And then I like to just sprinkle on a little bit more of the seasoning on top. And it looks so pretty, and it's going to be really delicious. And the other thing I made to go along, of course, with it, I'm just going to let this cook for another second, is a nice big salad with it. And in here, to make your salads interesting, I use a variety of different leaf lettuces and romaine lettuce. And I put in, you can see my blackberries and some apple, some Vidalia onion, some sunflower seeds. I have shredded carrots and different peppers, yellow and red peppers. And you can add anything, but I like a big salad. And my new waffles. They're the high protein waffles. This time I didn't do chocolate, I did blueberry, and my video will be on my YouTube channel. So a nice balanced meal. And I'm just gonna take my omelet, add it to my plate, and voila, we have a beautiful meal for breakfast, brunch. It's my lunch because I fast. And I'm going to add some of this feta dill opa dressing by Lighthouse, okay? And I'm going to add that. So here you go, a really nice filling lunch, brunch, even dinner, okay, is really great. I hope you love this recipe. Let me just go around again. Oh, I'm trying to turn my phone around. There we go. Here we go. I'm going to just turn off my oven so I don't burn my house down. So you can see that I like a nutritious, well-balanced meal, okay? Sometimes I have it for breakfast. Sometimes I have it for brunch or lunch or dinner, all right? And it's nice and filling and big and delicious and versatile. So again, you want to add different veggies to it, different seasonings to it, all right? And I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen after I eat my delicious meal. So I hope you love this recipe. Comment below. Share my channel with everybody on a health journey, all right? And take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.